Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting my this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to share with you the third chart in which we will learn and in which you will learn where we can use the and where we cannot use the with the same nouns. In which conditions we can use the and we cannot use the with the same nouns. So this is our chart 3. I have already discussed with you chart 1 and chart 2, or I can just say that I have shared with you rule 1 and rule 2 of nouns with and without the. Friends, when the names of seasons are written without the term season with them, the is not used before the names of the seasons. For examples, schools are closed in summer when it is terribly hot. The is used with the names of seasons when the term season is added with them. For examples, schools are closed in the summer season when it is terribly hot. Friends, we can see that in the first example, the is not used before the name of the season because the term season is not used with it. And in the second example, we see that before the name of the season, the is used because the term season is used with it. Friends, now you can take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. I hope that you have taken its screenshot or written down in your notebook. So I am going to rub the board. Friends, the is not used before the names of universities like Bihar University, Patna University, Bhagalpur University, etc. Friends, the is used before the names of universities like the University of Patna. When the name of university is written using a preposition like of, the is used before the name of a university. Friends, now you can take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. Friends, some more examples. If we say Patna University, we don't use the before it, but if we say the University of Patna, you can see that the is used before the name of this university if it is written using of. Here of is used, so the is used before the name of a university if it is written in such a form, in such a way. The is not used before the names of festivals if the term holiday or holidays is not tagged with them. अर्थात त्योहारों के नामों के पहले द का प्रयोग नहीं होता है यदि उनके नामों के साथ हॉलीडे या हॉलीडेज शब्द जुड़ा हुआ न हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स दिवाली, होली, छठ, etc. We see that before the names of these festivals, the is not used because the term holiday or holidays is not used with them. And if the term puja is also joined with them, the will be used. Like Chhat Puja, the Chhat Puja. The is used before the names of festivals if the term holiday or holidays is tagged with them. For example, the Deepavali holidays, the Holi holidays, the Chhat holidays, etc. Friends, now you can take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. I hope that you have taken its screenshot or written down in your notebook. So I am going to rub the board. Friends, the is not used before the names of dates if they are written without the use of. यदि बिना ऑफ के प्रयोग के ही डेट्स लिखे जाते हैं तो उसमें द का प्रयोग नहीं किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10th मई और मई 10th, मार्च 14th और 14th मार्च. The is used before the names of dates if they are written with the use of. For examples, the 10th of May, the 14th of March, the 14th of March. Generally we use the words when we write the dates using of, and we can use numbers also, ordinal numbers, when we write the dates without using of. We can use the digits also. Here better we use words, the number names, to express the dates using of. And friends, now you can take its screenshot, write down the same in your notebook, and with this rule and a few examples based on it, I am ending this session, and I am requesting you to like it, comment it, and share it with your friends. Also help us in reaching millions of people throughout the world, so that we may approach and we may give our knowledge to people on mass level. And that is possible if you help us in increasing the subscribers, and you also download the app MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.